Hello guys, so I found this really old blue Tonka or whatever it's called. It's made in Japan. It's a tow truck. It's in pretty bad condition. It's really rusty. The tow is bent and dislocated. The glass isn't bad. The interior is pretty good. The paint is rusted out. The wheels work fine, just their hubcaps is off. Yeah. Rolls great. The front isn't really rusty. It's just the back is really, the tow hitch is really bad. It says made in Japan. You can't really see it though. This might be the only one it existed, probably. This toy, you could probably sell it on eBay for about $1,000. He's really antique, and they've been just sitting outside for years. This is a 54-year-old toy, so hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a really cool truck. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next video. Bye!